Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super useful topic, setting up advanced workflows to streamline processes in GoHighLevel. Let's get started. First, let's log into our GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Automation tab. Go to the Create Workflow section and then click on Start from Scratch. Give your workflow a name that clearly describes its purpose. Now, let's set up our trigger. Click on the Add New Trigger button. Next, select Form Submitted, and then click on the Save Trigger button. Next, we'll add some actions. Actions are tasks that happen after the trigger. Let's start by sending a welcome email to our new lead. Click on Add Action and select Send Email. Customize your email with a friendly message and any necessary information. To further streamline our process, we'll integrate Google Sheets to automatically log new leads. Click on Add Action, select Google Sheets, and choose the spreadsheet where you want to store the data. Then click on Save Action button. Finally, let's add a delay to space out our emails. Click on Add Action and select Wait. Set the delay for 2 days before sending the next email. This helps to avoid overwhelming your leads with too many emails at once. And click on Save Action button. Once you're happy with your workflow, click on the Save button and then Publish. Your advanced workflow is now live and ready to automate your processes. You've successfully set up an advanced workflow in GoHighLevel. And there you have it, ready to enhance your workflow and improve lead management. Take advantage of GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial, and remember to schedule your kickoff call to ensure everything runs smoothly. You can find all the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.